So hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys in another very brand new video. So today this video is gonna be very special because as you also can see where I am standing on a petrol pump here, and today's this video is also a different kind of a video because in this video I am gonna practice English by traveling. So why and what makes the video different I will also show you. So now as you also can see it's my father and we are traveling because today is Mohalaya. So in Mohalaya people they go near and there they also travel. For that reason, we are also traveling, but we are doing a little bit different thing, which is I'm practicing the English language. Means I am making the video. Okay, I also hesitate from people for that. Why on the scooty I am making, and that is also a great chance and a great choice decision for to like remove my hesitation and fear. But I don't like this way. I am making videos. So now today is Mohalaya. We everyone know that what is Mohalaya. Mohalaya is a part of Durga Puja, a very and also you can say the beginning of Durga Puja. In Mohalaya, the ritual that we follow it is that we all Bengalians we also go near and there and we travel with our friends, with our family members. Some people travel with cars and but some people travel by walking with their friends. So in the early morning we'll do everything. So now we are going and we are returning back to our home. So for that reason you also can see the road it is very nice. And now I will show you the front view because in the front view I am also will be able to show you a lot of things and I will talk about them. I also will practice the English language. It will be a great video. So it's the road that we are going on and it is also very beautiful. So now the thing that I was talking about, it is very nice and this thing, it is the quotes. How I practice the English language with quotes, or you also can say that how I practice English when I don't have any topics, when I hesitate, nothing works in my brain. At that time I just do one trick and it is I choose some quotes. Okay, quotes they are very motivating, they are very energetic. So quotes helps us to talk and also to practice the English language. Now, how I practice with quotes is also one kind of a question. Only one thing that I do, it is I take one quote and then I explain the quotes. I try to spend my time with only one that quotes. And like how, for example, I have taken a quote, which quote, it is very beautiful quotes and this quote is actual real quotes. And this quote is that in our society there are three kind of people. One is great-minded people, one is average mind, and one is a small mind. You can see there is a very big line here of auto. Many autos they are also standing and taking the fuel. It is the petrol pump, and also with auto there are many vans are there. Okay, there are many vans and there are many cars. You can see the line is very huge. There are a lot of amount of cars because today all of the cars they need to fill their tank of petrol or CNG because today it's a traveling day, everyone travels here and there. For that reason there also need some fuel. For that reason they are standing. So there are three kind of mind: great mind, average mind, small minded people. So great minded people, I will always hear that they are the right person. If you spend time with them, then you also will be benefited. Because great minded people that don't have enough time to talk about the nonsense things and also the things that don't have any type of benefits and the things that will not give any kinds of benefits. So as you also can see, it is a truck. Okay, one kind of a car, and on the car and the top of the floor, top of the thing, a person is also sitting and it's looking very nice. And people also they are going with this jeep, and some people legs are also coming out of the jeep, but they're also enjoying the travel and also the situation. So again on our topic we have returned. It is that great-minded people there will always you will find out them doing some beneficial things for their own life, for their own success and their future. Okay, they will not spend time with all of the things, all of the festivals, all of the funs, all of the happiness, because then if they do a little bit hard work now, then happiness will come, and the happiness that they will have, it will be greater. Okay, so for that reason, and then the another kind of people, it is advertisement people. Advertisement people, they just talk about events. Now how they talk about events, there is also a reason. That is that advertisement people, they will always talk about events, like what is going on there, about the festival, about Durga Puja, about all of the things. Okay, now we are Bangolian culture, so every time in every month we can find out some festivals and also all of the things. So advertisement people, they will always talk about those kinds of festivals, how they will go there, how will they travel, what they see, and this kind of thing. They don't have any kinds of good topics to talk and also to spend time. And then the last and the most dangerous, it is the small mind people. Small mind people will always talk about the people. Okay, they don't know what they are doing, or whatever they will do in their life. But you will find out always them neglecting someone and also finding problems in someone, and it's a really not the right way to think and to just spend time. So it's the thing I want to share, and now it's your responsibility. What you want to be in your life, you can be. There is no stopping or another no blockage. So there is also a Durga Puja pandal, which is also being a little very very nice pandal. So now on the side, on the middle of the road, you can see the overbridge. It's also looking very beautiful, and on and under the overbridge there are many greeneries, small plants are there, because to maintain our nature and environment they have planted. So this is the thing. And then the another quotes that I will share with you, this quote is also one of my favorite, and this is that everything is easy when you are crazy for it, but nothing is easy when you are lazy for it. So what's mean by being crazy? If you can understand this quote, then it will be very helpful for you. Being crazy, it means that doing different from the people and a little bit crazier from the people. Okay. So whenever you will be crazy for your work, you will not hesitate, no fear, no doubts. At that time, you are crazy for your work. And for that reason, the work will be more easier for you, it will be more enjoyable. But whenever you will be very lazy for your work, then the work also will be very hard for you. For that reason, now also as you can see, I am making the video, but I am making the video differently, where people are only just watching and enjoying. I am also enjoying, I am also traveling, but I am doing the thing by making video and also by practicing English. I'm also watching the environment, I'm also just going here and there, but I am also just focusing on my speaking skills, and for that reason it's also very great. There are few buses are there, and in the buses, into the buses there are many people. So this thing you can see. So become crazier, little bit different. First of all, people will laugh at you, but slowly they will start respecting you, and also they will take advices from you. So that's the reason it is our main Bortala market. So now we are going at, now we have entered near our house. Here you can see it is the Apunjan Club, and in the Apunjan Club also there is a Durga Puja pandal we can see here, and it is also being very nice, very great. So the thing that I was talking about, it is be crazy, do some different things, make people laugh at you, and then slowly you will see the benefits, the results that you are getting from your work and also from your craziness. So this is the thing that I want to share, and it will be very very helpful for you. And this scenario, it's very nice and very great, and just I am traveling and I am also enjoying. I hope all of you are also enjoying this video by watching the roads and all of the things. So we have just out, and we also have gone from our house in the early morning, but we traveled a lot, and after traveling I also started the video when we are returning, after taking a small, like something to eat I have here. So it's also over bridge, not a over bridge, it's a bridge. Many boys are also coming from the bridge. So here you can see now we took a little bit stop here. So so for few reasons we have stopped for a little bit time, and now again we have started our journey. I also met with few friends, and this thing I was telling, here you can see many god statues are there. They are also looking very very amazing, and it is temple. It is the Kali temple, and now we are a little bit far from our house. But I am saying that always just focus on your goals, focus on your success, do everything, enjoy. But with enjoying also, don't be distracted. Okay, the festivals, people, friends, relatives, they will distract you, but join all of them, be happy. Okay, because happiness is also a very important part of our life. But remember, happiness is not a destination, it is a way of our life to become happy. But on the another hand, also focus on your goals and your successes. Whatever you are doing, don't just try to leave it, do the another things too. So there is also a very great scenario, a very great night. And if you also see, then you can see that on the road there are lights, okay, few bulbs are here. This is the scooty, but on the scooty the sound is very high. So there are many bamboo, and on these bamboo many bulbs they are also hanged, and all of them will be start, and there will be light, and it is the Durga Puja. So it was the video. I hope that all of you enjoyed the video. So we also have reached our house. Bye bye to again, my nothing is better. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for this type of more videos.